Hello again. Well, first of all, I just got to say that I can't see what you're seeing. I've got the camera at a funny angle. Um, this is a lock that Terry B sent to me. It's a 60mm Yale. And what I've just done is I've got a masonry nail and I've poked out these two little things. I'm going to put them in there. That's the left one. That's the right one. They're just the little pins that come out of here. Now, obviously, oh yeah, I've got a drift. I've got a packet of drifts or set of drifts. Some of them are old, some of them are new, and they're in a toolbox, and I can't find them. So I've had to use that. I think I know where it is, but it's not. It's underneath a pile of other toolboxes. Anyway, there we go. Now then, the reason I'm filming this is because I've never taken one of these apart before. These two holes are in a different position to what they normally are. One is sort of here and the other one's here. So I don't know whether that's going to make any difference. And I can see that this is already quite loose. So I watched Brummy take one apart, and I've also watched Lock Noob take one apart. So, but both of them, I think, I think Brummy's was probably this one, this size. And it could even be one of Brummy's old ones, actually, because I think Terry B. Pickin got a and that. So that's springy. Right. So the reason I'm phoning this is because that's. Let me just. Let's just take that off. That is obviously the thingy, the bolty bit. Okay. There's a couple of. There's a plate in there. I think that plate's got to come out really. I'm going to take those out if I can. They're loose. Interesting. Can't get my fingers in there. That's one. They're not tight. They are loose. There's a couple of screws going in there. This here is the I don't know what I've no idea what all these bits and pieces are called. The bit that turns the bolt, I'm going to call it. That bit. So those go in that little plate. Now does that plate just lift off now? Let's see. Does turning this do anything? I turned it that way. Whoops. All right, so there's the body of it, if you can see that. As I said, I don't know what you can see. There's the body of it. There's the shackle spring, which is quite nice, isn't it? This is this shackle that just comes off like that. Nice. Don't want to turn it too far. You could brick it. That's what I like to see. And what's stopping it being bricked is the now then, there's two little things here, look. One's square and one's round, and the round one is where the short one goes, and this is that looks a bit sort of manky, doesn't it? That'll be all right when it's cleaned up. That goes on that way round, I believe. Am I right? No, I'm not right. It's that way round. Shiny Yale has the round one, this one here. That is handed that. So there we go. And there's the business. Well, I would like to gut that, and I'm assuming that in here, I'm not going to gut it today in front of you all, because there's I've got to remove some stuff, I think. I don't know what that is, but there's no hurry for that. Actually, I think this actually might come off by the looks of it. Anyway, there we go. Terry, this is the beginnings of a revamp. So there we go. You got the key, you got the body, you got the shackle, the spring, this little mechanism on the top here, which I shall have to look at the video to see which way round it goes, but I think I know. And then you got these two little screws and the pins. So there we go. That's it. Phew-y, that's exciting. See you around, guys.